walking down the road.
Okay, here we go again. What about a 1967 Camaro? This one here's got the 68 doors on it. It's missing the vent window from 67. It's got a 454 under the hood, and she's set up for racing, but I've been hearing it's a pretty good road car. So we're gonna be taking it down the road, checking it out, seeing what all's missing or wrong. That way you know what you get before you get here. Definitely look at the detailed pictures at maplemotors.com, along with financing and shipping. This thing is pretty sweet, guys, so I'm pretty excited to take it down the road. This test drive will be a little bit different. I think we're going to shoot up and down Main Street here, come back, do the walk around, may get a few outside shots, definitely undercarriage shot, and we'll end the video. Any other questions, give us a call up here at 615-822-4444. For now, hit subscribe, sit back, relax, because it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Of course, before we take off, you can place your bets on the horn, but I don't know where the button is. So we'll just go ahead and say there's no horn on this one. We do have lights. That's your switch for your headlights. We've got a few gauges here. Got the boost gauge, volts, oil pressure, water temperature, and fuel. Also got the fuel gauge over here. That's a fuel pressure gauge. And I've got everything labeled pretty well. Your ignition, their fuel right there to switch it on, your electric fans, and your water pump. This one does have the floor shifter, the bucket seats, roll cage. The whole back end's been tubbed. And that roll cage does go all the way around here. I think pretty much the only thing missing is the bar that goes from here to here, that most of the time they'll make you have. Yeah, let's go ahead and get her started up here, because after I start it, you're not going to hear me anymore. There's no wipers. Pretty basic. No blower motor for the air. You got the tach on the dash there. Let's go ahead and do it. So ignition on first. You're going to want fuel pressure to cut that on. You're going to want the water moving around, and hit start. I didn't actually have to give it any gas to start, it just did. Feels pretty good. We got a half a tank of gas. Smells awesome. It's definitely racing gas in this one. Got your harnesses. Okay. Looks like the windows are not going to roll up. They're just free spinning there. Looks like glass down in there. Maybe this one will. Yeah, that one started to come up. This one over here may be off track. Not really trying to do anything. All right, so we're going to take it down the road. We'll come back, get some undercarriage shots, and then walk around and look at the paint. Let's do it. Okay, this should be pretty fun here. We'll see what she's gonna do. car's fast. Woo! You can feel that body rolling in the back from these big old tires too. All right, when I let go of the steering wheel, it does have a right pull. Got to do the turn signals because they don't have a switch on the dash here. And I noticed the turning radius is very small on this one, so I'm gonna have to go out wide. This is definitely set up for the track. Let's see here. Actually shifts out nice and smooth. Still got that right pull when you let go of the steering wheel. Because of those tires in the back, it's doing a little bit of this motion. Kind of see the car doing it in the video, I'm sure. Down in those brakes, definitely manual brakes, they're stopping fine. That turn signal switch, so we're having to do it manually. Car's wicked fast, guys. Definitely a hell of a time. Sorry about that. I usually don't cuss during my videos, I'm just having fun. So engine temperature's at 190, oil pressure's at 60. She sounds good. So we're gonna head on back to the lot now. I'm gonna get some undercarriage shots, some outside pictures, and of course, picking out the flaws. Let's do it. Guys, that was intense. Love this ride. One of the fastest cars I've driven this year. It's up there. Very cool. I never really floored it. I got into the throttle, kind of feathered it, felt it out. She was kicking out, spinning on me. I'm just talking awesome. I love the looks of it. Now we're gonna be walking around, checking the body, looking at chips, scratches, rust, whatever I can find so that you know the rest of what you're getting. Of course, in the trunk here, they've got it souped up as well. You got your battery box over here. Throw the gas in. Well, I guess that's where you can get to the pump. Throw the gas in back here. Camaro tag hanging there. They've definitely got it set up. Detailed pictures, maplemotors.com. Finance and shipping available on this ride. Let's get started. Lower portion first. Get the skinnies on the front. Down the lower portion of the car here. Exhaust is huge. Got battery hookups where you can charge it or boost it. Chrome bumper on the back looks good. It's got a metallic flake in the paint job. Chrome looks good on the door handle. Stripe around the front. It's got some minor air bubbles in it. Back over the top of the fender here. Missing the top piece of trim. It probably blew off from going so fast. Hopefully it didn't blow off on me. Pillar here looks good. You do got something going on up there. Looks like a little piece of tape covering it up. Oh, here they come. Fire sale. Line in the paint right here. It comes all the way back. Coming up on the back, see those tail lights? They've got a few little chips in them. Gas cap also. Trunk jam on this one. Seal looks good. Jam looks good. Trunk lid itself, good shape. Shut's good. Coming down this side. Again, lower portion first. Spot there. Little dirt there, that come right off. Back at midsection. Got some rubbish going on the inside of this door, up top as well. Chrome is good on the door handles. Back over the top portion. All looks good through here. Back window's nice and clean, so is the trim. Got the line in the paint right here on your back pillar. Same thing on this side as the other. Roof looks great. Little ding right here on top of the fender. Front windshield is in good shape. Let's go ahead and check out the interior, get her started up. So they've redone this door panel here. Inside the jam, looks good. Seats are in good shape. Headliner's not too bad in this one. Again, looking over the interior. Ignition, fuel, fan, water. Lights. Headlight is on over here and over here. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping, 100 detailed pictures, and of course every Monday we got new rides. I got another one to do today. I'll see you in the next video.